We're outside the front of the Emirates Team New Zealand base, where we've just installed a 60 kilowatt solar system.
At the start of a process of looking at solar for a building, the first thing we do is understand what the building's energy needs are. And the other part of that is physically how will the solar be installed on the roof.
So what's different about this installation is you can see from the roof that the contours of the roof mean it's very hard to install.
Rather than using standard flat PV modules, we've used flexible curved PV module. And rather than being bolted to the roof, it's glued down. The main thing we're concerned about is the wind blowing across the top of the roof, creating suction and pulling the solar panels off. So what we're doing is just testing how well that glue sticks the solar panel to the roof.
We've got two different kinds of tests. One which is how we can rip the solar panel from the membrane, and the other one which is trying to slide the solar panel off.
The process has taken around about 6 months from the start of the testing process.
We're supplying the Emirates Team New Zealand base with a mixture of solar energy on the roof and then energy from the grid. We have EV chargers here, and then we're monitoring the consumption and production of energy at the building.
It's really been great seeing innovation to get the solar panels there. For all of us at the team, we're really proud to have them up on the roof.
Genesis Energy is really proud to be the official energy partner of Emirates Team New Zealand.